one should be in charge of more than 4 things if you're like running like an agency or department or something, because of the number of variables that it entails. So that if you've got one thing to worry about, well, you've got one thing to worry about. Then if you've got 2 things to worry about, you've got 1 times 2 equals 2 things to worry about. If you've got 3 things to worry about, you've got 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6 things to worry about. And then if you have 4 things to worry about, it's 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 things to worry about, and that's 24 things to worry about. That starts getting complex. But if you've got 5 things on your plate, right, you've got 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 things to worry about, and that's 120. The thing about 5 is like a kind of a quantum jump. So you go from having 24 variables to deal with, which is really pushing the limit, to suddenly 120 variables. So it's easier to deal with like 1 thing. If you deal with 2 things, we've got 2 things, 3 things, but again, the way these things get interrelate. So I don't know how exactly valid that is, but in my experience, it's like playing in the band. With 3 people in the band, it is very easy to stay really good and tight. It gets more difficult with 4 people. And after 4, it takes a lot more work. But 3 people, things go really smoothly. Probably optimal is 3. You can probably handle 4. 5, that's when you have to start going into overdrive. Hope that helps.